Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add that super handy view and browser link to your Mailchimp emails. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to give your subscribers the option to view your newsletter in their web browser, which can be a lifesaver for readers whose email clients don't display your message perfectly. It's a small touch, but it really makes your emails look and feel more professional. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your Mailchimp account and open up the design for the email you're working on. This is where you lay out all the sections and adjust the look and feel, just like building a flyer or a mini website, but right in your inbox. Once you're in the design view, look for the place you want to add your view and browser link. I suggest placing it right at the top of your email, maybe above your logo, because that's where most people expect to find it. But if you prefer it somewhere else, go with what fits best for your brand. Next, you're going to add a paragraph block. In Mailchimp, just drag that paragraph block into position. Inside that block, simply type "View this email" in your browser. You can tweak the wording if you like, but keeping it simple works best. People know exactly what to expect. Now for the important part, adding the actual link that lets people open your email in their browser. In Mailchimp, links like this use what's called a merge tag. Think of it like a shortcut or formula that automatically fills in the unique archive link for each version of your campaign. The merge tag you need is archive asterisk. You can find it in Mailchimp's merge tag cheat sheet if you ever forget. At first, you might be tempted to just type or paste archive right after your text, but let's make it clickable for a cleaner look. After pasting the merge tag somewhere in your paragraph temporarily, just cut it out so you have it ready to go. Then, highlight the words "View this email" in your browser in your paragraph, just like you would when adding a hyperlink in Word or Google Docs. With your text highlighted, look for the link or chain icon in Mailchimp's editing toolbar. Click it, and when the field pops up to enter your link URL, simply paste archive right there. Double-check that there are no extra spaces, then confirm. If this step feels a bit technical, don't stress. It's totally normal if you need to try it a couple of times. What you're doing here is telling Mailchimp to dynamically replace that tag with the actual link to the web version of your email, so every subscriber gets a working link in their copy. Before you hit send, always preview your email. In Mailchimp, there's a handy preview mode. Click on it and try clicking your new view and browser paragraph. It should open right up in a new browser tab with the web version of your campaign. If it works, you're all set. If not, just retrace your steps. These small details usually come down to a typo or missed highlight, and that's all there is to it. Adding a view and browser link is simple, but it absolutely boosts the readability and accessibility of your emails. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like. Leave any questions in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward how-tos just like this. See you in the next one.